Hi students, today we will learn about misplaced and dangling modifiers. First of all, let's define what is a modifier. A modifier is a word or group of words that adds extra information. For example, running fast, the boy won the race. Here, modifier is running fast, and subject is the boy. The modifier describes the subject. Now, let's understand what is misplaced modifier, which simply means that modifier is in wrong place. A misplaced modifier is too far from the word it describes, so the meaning becomes funny or confusing. For example, the girl said on Wednesday she would call us. Did the girl say this on Wednesday, or did she say she would call us on Wednesday? This is confusing. So, the right sentence is, the girl said she would call us on Wednesday. Now, the meaning is clear. Next example is, the boy saw a dog on the way to school. Here, the modifier is on the way to school, and the subject is the boy. It looks like the dog was going to school. So, the correct sentence is, on the way to school, the boy saw a dog. Now the modifier is close to the boy, so it makes sense. Now, let's understand dangling modifier, which means modifier with no clear subject. A dangling modifier has no subject for the modifier to describe, so the sentence becomes impossible or silly. So, the wrong sentence is, after reading the book, the movie felt boring. Modifier. After reading the book. Subject in sentence. The movie. It sounds like the movie read the book. The correct sentence is, after reading the book, I felt the movie was boring. Modifier. After reading the book. Subject. I. This sentence makes sense. So, the super simple formula is, misplaced modifier means modifier is there, subject is there, but they are far apart. And dangling modifier means modifier is there, but subject is missing. To fix both, keep the modifier close to the correct subject.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.